20ビッグカップのぞみ18号東京行きの到着です。自由席は
We would like to inform you again about the oversized baggage corner.
This is the Omo Cafe. Pretty basic selection, vegan curry, grilled salmon. Prices aren't too bad. So they have a gym on the 15th floor, and everything is on the 14th, like the lounge, the terrace.
No.
So laundry is to the left.